How's everybody doing today? I want to do a quick opening box video and first initial power up of Galaxy Gear S watch. That's how the box comes in. This is bought directly from T-Mobile. I already opened it and we put the SIM card inside, so it's been opened, but it has never been turned on. So let me just open the box. This is how the watch looks like. What you have in the box is obviously the watch. Also, you have a charger, okay, which is just a regular standard USB charger. And you also have, oh no, I'm sorry, that's a charger. So I guess you would plug this into here. Let's see. Yes. So I guess you would plug it in like so, and then you would put the watch on top of it. Or maybe you could slide it like so. Let's see. Where's the contacts? Right here. See, I haven't read anything about it yet. I don't know if it just clicks on like this or you just lay it down flat. But we put the SIM card inside at the store. I bought that for myself, so and let's power this baby on. I'm assuming you probably push the power button here. So let's see what we get. Alright, so it powers up. Let's see if I can get this in focus. Okay, so I bought this at T-Mobile today. The SIM card was installed and also it was activated, so it should work. So let's click next. To connect to your mobile device, select the name of this gear in a Samsung. Okay, but that's not what we want. So I don't know what else I can do here. You can download it from install Samsung Gear on your mobile. Okay, it's asking me to install Samsung Gear application, but I have a SIM card, so I thought you could use it just with the SIM card. Oh, there we go. Restart. Okay, so let's see here. Mobile networks. And I get nothing. So let's hold the button again. Wi-Fi. Let's do restart again. Let's see what we're gonna get here. In the meantime, I'm going to show you how it looks like from behind, from the back. I mean, this is a clasp. It opens up like so. Alright, this is the back of it. This is where the SIM card goes, and it really is a pain in the butt to put it in. It's tough to open this door, and the reason being is because there's an O-ring there, probably to keep it, you know, keep it somewhat water resistant. So okay, so the watch is back on and I get nothing here. Let me hold the button again and we have vibration, Wi-Fi. See, it's still telling me to connect to mobile device, select the name of this gear in a Samsung Gear application. So I guess I'm gonna have to go back to this video and and activate this some other way. I'm going to read the manual and I'll come back to it.